Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys, I I am here. I was muted. Cheers, Mo. I will start again. Hi, mate. Yeah, hi, Mo. Dan, how's it going? Ben, Mo, Fabio. Yeah, cheers, Ben. I see it. Cheers for lights, guys. Yeah, today, a new day. Yesterday we took a decent amount, like 32 ticks, which is decent. 32 ticks yesterday on gold. The account's up 113 in a day. Decent. Not gonna complain, you know. It's not gonna be. One second, let me just clean my camera. Not gonna be overnight, guys. So it is gonna be a steady progression. Anyway, cheers for the lights, guys. Yeah, let's see if we can trade gold. I'm not gonna keep too. I'm not gonna look at the H4 and H1 too much. What you need to look at, guys, on here, just look at the H1, how we're breaking above these levels here now. You know, I had a level on the 30-minute that if we break above, which we're doing now perfectly, we're breaking above and taking this liquidity here. I'm going to look for continuation into this liquidity here. So that's the plan, guys. I'm looking for longs into this liquidity. In terms of sells, any sort of sells below here now, 23.49. I want a nice strong close now above here though, guys, in the next 5 minutes, and then we can long up. You know, we've got a decent range into there. We've got a decent, 57 tick range. Naeem, how's it going? Cal, how's it going, bro? Callum, nice one, bro. What broker are you using for the 5k account? Link in my description, Mo. Go to the description, you can join through there, 50% bonus. Naeem, what's your outlook today? Longs, mate. I'm going to look to long after this 30-minute close in a second. If anyone's interested in my prop firms or my broker that I use, go to the link in the description. All my links are there. Community links, free Telegram, everything's there, guys. Yeah, let's see if 5 minutes until this closes, guys. Hopefully we can catch these longs higher. You know, it's the hourly close as well, which is good. So we can take hourly closes into this. So it's nice liquidity grab. We're seeing closures. Let's see. I want a nice bottom wick. You know, if we bottom wick into say here, then yeah, we can buy the flip higher. And this is, in an ideal world, this is what we see. Okay, this is what the next candle looks like in an ideal world. Okay, and we're long here. You know, stops here, looking to target up there, and we've got that nice trade there. Anybody in the community, another trade breakdown is going out tonight. So anybody in the community, watch out for that. But yeah, guys, day one, 113 up, which is decent. Not bad. You know, 113 quid a day on average. You know, obviously you're going to take maybe 2 days which are losses or break evens. You know, it's still a decent trajectory on a 5k account, but we'll see what we can grab today. Like I said, 0.5 lots is all I'm using, guys. But yeah, anybody interested in the broker that I use and they want the 50% deposit bonus, link in, all my links are in my description, guys. You know, the strategy, free Telegram, and the broker I use, so get yourself on it. 3 minutes until we close. Hopefully we don't take this liquidity. Gold, gold, gold. Don't take the liquidity. Doesn't matter. I can still long into it above. Catch a little piece of it. Absolutely flying. Absolutely flying. Right, this is looking good, guys. If we can bottom wick a little bit, then yeah, I'm going to take this long. You know, first target is here, 14, 15 ticks, but we can definitely push higher. I just hope, 2.5 minutes, I just hope we don't take this liquidity before. But yeah, the outlook today is almost bob on. That's why I didn't want to rush too quickly into it, guys, because I knew that this were going to push up. Wow, we Goldie going. There was a nice 5-minute entry there, guys, but it wouldn't have tagged you in. You know, if you're looking for this 5-minute entry higher, it wouldn't have tagged you in. You wouldn't have got tagged in here. You know, let's see if we can pull down a little bit and then we can wick fill that first target, second target here. That'll be the trade for the day. We could be in and out very quickly here. One and a half minutes, guys. One sec. Right, Goldie. Bottom wick, we're going long. Let's bottom wick a bit and then we can push this higher. So we've got decent first targets now at 30-minute wick fills. So we've got two, look at these guys, we've got 2 highs to wick fill. So if we can bottom wick a little bit, and then we can bottom wick a little bit, then we can push this higher. "30 seconds till closures, guys. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. Like I say, guys, drop us a like on the video. I do appreciate it. Let's bump it up to 10 likes again. Let's get it up to 10 likes. Everyone here, drop us a like and we've got it. Right, let's see if we can push down a bit and then we can look to enter the flip. So you want price to pull back a little bit now. We need price to maybe pull back and then we can just buy the break. I hope we don't just fly with no bottom wick. Be annoying. Wow, gold. Wow. First liquidity target hit. Bando, how's it going, bro? Hope you're well. I'm good, mate. I'm good. And liquidity taken. So the range, the break of the range upwards, guys, is 57 ticks, med. If you did take that, good. I'm still going to look for confirmation higher, guys. But I need to wait for the confirmation now. It's annoying that we didn't bottom wick first. I'd have loved the bottom wick here. Enter it, bang. Would have hit TP. You know, from entry we would have had 22 ticks. Welcome, guys, welcome. Anyone new? I have a pullback at 24.11. 24.11. 24.11, yeah, potentially. I mean, I don't see why not. We've just taken this liquidity to the left. So, price could pull back a little bit now. You know, could pull back a little bit now for sure. Cheers for the likes, guys. 8 likes. Beautiful. Right, Goldie. Let's see if we can catch these longs. What? 4 hours flying. Yeah, we're going to pull back a little bit as expected. You know, when gold takes liquidity like this, guys, look, you take your liquidity, you pull back and we can look for longs. You know, if we now get some confirmation above this level, we can still long higher. There's no problem with that because we're above the level. We just got to make sure that we take valid entries, because price has no real liquidity to take now. But if we pull back, guys, show the confirmation above this level, then we've got the range from here into this high here. So then we've still got this range to trade higher, another 50 ticks. So let's see if we can pull back, show confirmation, then we can go long. Welcome, guys, welcome. Anyone new, welcome. Drop us a subscribe if you're new, guys. 15 viewers, good stuff. Go live 1 to 2 hours every day, guys. 5k challenge started yesterday. We're up around £113 on the account. Join the free Telegram, guys. Go to the free Telegram, join it. I post my profit every day there. Updated every day, my profit. So yesterday was £113 on a 5k, which is decent. You know, this is only a small account that I'm building up on live YouTube. My other accounts, obviously, I've got linked. I'll be trading them much differently. They're less risk because I've got more money in them. No, this is a liquidity grab, mate, because look to the left, bro. You've actually gone through the liquidity by 3 ticks. So yeah, it is a liquidity grab. However, if we do pull back, yeah, show confirmation here, then you can pull up higher into levels above market, yeah? Because gold's quite bullish. I'm not looking for shorts until we get back below at least here, you know? So any pullbacks and we stay above this range, then we go long, okay? Once you pass the evaluation stage at alpha, how often do you take out a profit made? Normally when I get to about 2k, bro. If I get to 2k, then I'll take half. Maybe like every 1 or 2 weeks, I'll take a profit split. 17 in here, guys. Welcome. The most we've ever had. Good. Like I say, guys, if you are new, make sure you join the free Telegram in the description, and make sure you drop us a follow, subscribe. I do appreciate every subscriber. Nice one for the likes as well, guys. See if we can take this higher, guys. But yeah, guys, any sort of confirmation now above this range that we're in, you know, you've got range 1, you know, you've got range 1, range 2 here, you know, you've got simple breakout, you know, we can definitely start looking for price to come into this area here, okay? So we've still got a range higher, you know, at least, this is minimum, okay? Minimum. But gold's just flying up. Any 5-minute confirmation, we can look to go long, guys. Guys, any questions, get them in. Let's see. If anyone's got any questions at all, let us know. 15 people in. Welcome, everybody. Seriously, welcome. I do appreciate you stopping by. I am looking to go long, guys, into levels above market. Let's see. You could even say 411. Yeah, like Naeem mentioned, I think 411 pullbacks is very, very, very possible. So keep in mind that we have got this range to fill. We've got we've got clearance into this range now. So let's look for longs into this range fill here, guys, which is like 100 ticks, 120 ticks, which is good. Yeah, I'm looking for any sort of confirmation. 5, 15 confirmation, you know, pullback, confirmation, higher. Simple. That's what I'm looking for, guys. Sorry, guys, one sec. Getting a... Right, guys, let's see what gold's doing. Yeah, so any sort of pullbacks, guys, I'm looking to go long. Like I say, just stay patient and you'll catch this long. We'll catch this long, don't worry. What we need to keep in mind as well, guys, that we have taken liquidity here to the left, yeah? So if we do stop pulling back aggressively, then yeah, we need to be careful. However, I am aware of that. So that's not really a problem for me. Just note that we are... Just know that we are pulling back after taking this liquidity. Wow, 40 views already. Nice one, guys. Let me check questions really quick. Are you looking for a 5-minute wait? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, Naeem. Sort of like confirmation to go along. You know, we can see that anywhere within here. You know, if you see that anywhere within, say here, then bang, yeah, we look for longs. So that pre US push was actually quite nice. It's just a shame that we couldn't capitalize on this move that I wanted here. You know, if we bottom wicked, I'd have taken that 28 ticks. You know, that's over like 60-70 quid on the account build. Has anyone taken any trades today? Comment. Let me see. I'm interested if anyone's taken any trades. Yo, Joe, I recognise you from FWA. Cool to see you're doing your own thing now. Fair play. Yes, Skate. How's it going, bro? How are you, bro? Yeah, I've been doing my own thing for a while now. Skate. Hope you're well. Yeah, I've just been chilling, relaxing now, mate. Hope you're well. Are you smashing it, mate? Got in a buy at 23.93. 23.93, perfect, beautiful. Yeah, for me, if you did take 23.93 entries, like, it's not a problem. For me, this was the range that you were currently trading within here. It was a bit messy, however, if you did take it around here, it's absolutely fine. Obviously when you trade in the range, half risk. Anywhere above here, then you can look to go long, and as soon as we broke above, that's where your better entry is. Anyone interested in... One sec. Yeah, I think buys are good. Buys are definitely the best, guys. Guys, anyone interested in Alpha Capital, what I'm using to trade futures, sign up here. Use code JTC. Get yourself 15% off, yeah? Very good futures prop firm that I'm starting to use. If anyone's interested, there's the link. Get yourself a cheap account. Yeah, good stuff, Skate. Nice to see you. And another sport. Yeah, good, Skate. I hope you're smashing it, bro. And another small loss buy from 96 area would love. Worked out cut losses. Yeah. I mean, Ben, there's no problem in not trading this range because look at the 15, yeah? This 15 is very, very choppy. Like, trying to trade this is stupid. Like, if you're trading it, take half risk. You know, you want moves like this, you know? You want these type of moves. You want this, you know? Look at this, guys. You take your low, you buy the break. You know, you can have your stops here. You know, you're getting the push you need. Here, you take the lows, you buy the break. This, guys, you're not taking really any lows before the break. So make sure you're looking at that when you are trading your ranges. Like now we're above this range. Price has clearance to go higher into range 2 now. You know, you've got this range that we've just broke at 2400. Now we've got clearance now into 2410. Yeah, nice. If you've got your level closure, bro, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, that's absolutely fine if you got your level closure. I mean, for me, if you got your break above this range here, you know, 23.96, yeah, it's absolutely fine, Ben. If you got your range break and you're happy with it. Callum, hi, I tried the Alpha Futures prop firm. Not keen on the max daily loss you can have, and you have to pay for it monthly. Don't know for me, mate. Gonna keep on 20 more. Yeah, Callum, you only need 6% on Alpha Futures. You only need 6%, and it's one stage, and you normally pass them before the month anyway. Once you've passed it, you don't pay the monthly fee. It's all done. So just take your time, and you shouldn't. The max daily loss, the 4%, you shouldn't hit anyway. You shouldn't hit the max 4% daily loss anyway. So yeah, you shouldn't. If you're risking 4% of your capital, you shouldn't be risking that. You know, so just take it slowly. Like if I'm taking these challenges, it takes me about 2 weeks to pass because I'm using 1 to 2 contracts, you know. But yeah, guys, join the free Telegram if you're new. Join the free Telegram and keep up to date with the journey on the. Keep up to speed with the 5K journey account growth. All my links are in the description, guys. It's definitely worth keeping up with the journey so you can see the possibility of building a 5K account, and it is all live, guys. If you go from the start, I showed opening a fully live account like 2 days ago. Still looking for longs here, guys. Still looking for longs. Any sort of confirmation down here, we can look for longs. You know, pull back, shoulder grab, go higher. Like I say, if anyone's got any questions, get them in, guys. And if you want to follow along with it, like you're more than welcome to follow along with what I do. Like just obviously keep your risk how it should be. I quite like the dashboard though, but I'm used to trading on MT5 with FTMO. Yeah, I mean, if you, like I say, futures, for me, futures prop firms are way better because I trade futures, but like, yeah, FTMO still great, man. Like, don't get me wrong, they are still good. Yeah, gold's gonna push higher, I think. You got to be aware of some levels above market, but I do think we've got clearance into this 24.10, 24.11 now. You know, you've got, look at this clear range. You've got clear range here. Just waiting for this confirmation, guys, and we can take these longs. Like, let's see. This would have been a decent entry, but there's no real stop loss, guys. You know, you have to have stops like 23 ticks. Realistically, what a wick like here, 10 ticks, and then you've got a decent stop then. But I do think at some point when gold finds some resistance and starts pulling back, this trend line is great targets, yeah? So be aware that if we do start finding support, resistance, you know, break it, we're going to come down into all this liquidity here and here, yeah? Like I said, we are stalling around this high as expected, guys. But it doesn't mean that we're not going to continue higher. I'm just going to still look for a play higher. Possibly half risk today. Like I said, guys, you know, pull back higher. Okay. What's the hourly looking like? Yeah, we need to make that bottom wick on the hourly too. H4, bullish, you know, 30, 40 minutes until we close. Starting to look decent. Coming into a minor level here too. Minor level of resistance, support and resistance here. Welcome, guys. How's it going? Like I say, guys, if you're new, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Are we gonna flip now? I'm cautious of this hourly not wicking down before pushing up, but it's not too wary of it. I will still long without that. Good stuff, Naeem. How have you done? Have you finished well, or up or down? I've personally taken one trade today. Break even, small partials, nothing crazy today. Small partial, not on the thingy account, not on the live 5k challenge, on the prop. On my live funded accounts. Well, not live, none of them are live, but up 970, perfect, mate. Have you almost passed your alpha, bro? Yeah, just doing macro, good stuff. You can take a lot more partials with macro as well. I like it. Especially on my funded accounts, guys. I use macros. Macros, you can take 3 or 4 partials instead of just having one traded lot. Just make sure you are on macros when you are trading it. You don't want to take like 5 contracts of gold on a 50k account if you're taking a 50k. $51 views already, guys. Nice. Nice. Right, guys, any sort of bullish close on the 5 now, I'll look to long. You know, we're starting to take some lows now. What we are expected to see is a bit more of a pullback. Bullish close, then we go long, okay? Just because how the H1 opened. The H1 needs to create a wick to the downside, yeah? So once we create that wick, then we can start looking for longs. But let's see how we... really you want to come and take this low first. Show the confirmation and then we can push higher. Okay. So the plan is to look for something like so. Okay. And what you'll see is that H1 will start pulling back in a second. And starting to form a bearish candle. Once I did 10 lot thinking it was a macro, yep. You live and you learn, Naeem. You live and you learn, bro. Crazy, man. And we're starting to create that bottom wick soon. You know, if you just know how gold trades and you knew this bottom wick needed to be created, as soon as you take this high, you can just short, you know, knowing price needs to form that bottom wick, and you're taking like 30 ticks there. This is very simple to read on gold for me. I knew this bottom wick needed to be created, so that's why I weren't too bothered about longing just yet. Like, I'm just gonna wait for price to confirm and then we can push higher. You know, we've had hourly breakouts of 2400. You know, 2400 breakouts, then we should continue to go higher. It's all on this 5 minute for me though, really. I think this 5 minute can show some good potential. Like I say, guys, if you're new, drop us a subscribe, please. Do appreciate it. Build it up. Almost at 100 now. Just let me check comments, guys. Like I say, guys, any questions while we're waiting for these longs, let me know. If anybody's interested in shorts, like, you can short, but just wait till you start getting back below, say, here, 23.95. You know? And then once we get back below here, I'm going to look to target personally. Sorry, guys. I'm going to look to target this trendline liquidity. So if you do get back below, say, here, you know, you've got a decent range all the way down into these lows. as expected, guys, the pullback after taking this liquidity, you know, very, very expected. Just gonna delete this up here. It's not needed for now. But yeah, this is the range I had pre New York. We broke out of it, just no confirmation to long. You had 5-minute entries, but I needed it to push down a little bit. Say another 5 ticks, and then I would have entered. Just give clear stop loss, you know. But yeah, whilst we're waiting for these longs, if anyone's got any questions, let me know, guys. 4 hour is starting to wick down a bit as well. Could we get a cheeky short in here? Are you shorting straight into resistance turning support, you know? What have you got? It's just not worth it. You got like 5 ticks to short into. It wouldn't be worth shorting for me. You know, but if our level was, say, if our level was here and we nicely close below it, even though our level's not, our level's like here and we're almost at it, you could take shorts down on the break of the new low. Okay. If it does break the new low, that is. Like, sometimes it doesn't, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes it doesn't, it continues up. That's why we take break a low. One sec, I'm just gonna get some water. Back in a second. If you are interested in new ranges, guys, and you do want, say, higher probability longs, you can wait for a different. You can just plot a different range now. You could have. Let me see. Let's have a look at. Let's have a look at a new range, guys. Yeah, so you could have range 1 here, range 2 here. I don't mind that. You know, 2400 is a decent range because it's a very big psychological daily level. So yeah, guys, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm actually gonna look for shorts below here. Okay, if we can close below this support and resistance here at 23.97, which is big to the left hand side as well. This 23.97 is a very nice level. If we can close bearish now below here, I'm gonna look to target lows at 23.88, and I'm gonna look to target lows here as overall short targets. If we can start closing back above, say, just the recent rejection here, then I'm gonna look to go long. But yeah, this is the new range for me, guys. Okay, I do think gold can push down, but I want a closure below 23.97. I just want to be sure about the new range. You know, I want to make sure that this account, if I take, I know guys, if I take the best setups over the next year, I know where this account will be. I know for sure where this account will be. You know, it'll be a very good balance. I know that for sure. So like I say, stay patient on your ranges, guys. And like I say, guys, the free Telegram, I'll update every day the profit and loss. What's the 4 hour is closing, guys, in 25 minutes. I'm just trying to find the best upside range. I think, let's have a look at 2400. Yeah, I think there or there. Yeah, range 2 is there for me. So this is the overall range for me, guys, right now. If we can get a 15-minute closure back above 2400, I'll definitely long. If this 15 can close bullish above 2404, then yeah, I'm definitely going to long, guys, because it's closed above the initial rejection and it's closed above the new range. So the next candle we need to wait for is the 8 minute. In 8 minutes, that closure. You know, and if we catapult below, if we collapse through 23.97, then yeah, shorts down into here and here. Some decent targets either side of the market. Like I say, guys, get your questions in. Let me see what you've got to say. Anyone new here, get your comment in. Let's have a look. And yeah, welcome to the daily streams. 60 total views. Nice. Five minute. Stay on the 5 for a bit, guys. Let's see what it does. As expected, though, the rejection after here is 46 ticks. You know. Yeah, New York opening soon, yeah, for sure. I think it opens like half 1 to half 1 up to 2 UK time. Naeem, how are your how's your Alpha account doing, bro? Have you almost how's it going? Are you almost past or? Yeah, 2404 guys. Above 2404, definite longs. Then below, yeah, this is definitely the new range for me, guys. I'm not going to trade within this. I think when New York opens, it'll give us a good direction. So just hang fire, let the momentum come in, guys, and we can get that position. Just hold fire. Yep. Yeah, but what you tend to find as well, guys, you got this rejection here. When price breaks the range after the initial rejection, like, let me show you here. Look, guys, just a quick thing that what you see is, look at this. You get the rejection here. Once you break the range, you continue higher. You know, you can see it everywhere. Look here, guys. Look, rejection. When you break it, you go higher. So what the plan is if we get this initial rejection, you know, if we get back above 2404, then the chances of pushing higher, you know, at least into, you know, minimum 2407. So it's still a decent 45 tick range to play within. So that's the plan. Yeah, nice, Naeem. Good stuff, bro. Like I say, keep consistent and you'll be fine, mate. Yeah, this is interesting now. You know, you got your initial rejection. How guys look? How many people are going in short here with the stops here, looking to push down? So we know that as soon as we start breaking back above the stop losses, then you can potentially look for higher price. So this is what we've been waiting for all stream. Okay. You know, if the 15 doesn't break above, we wait for the 30. If the 30 does, we take the 30. Guys, drop us a like. Let's run it up to 10 likes. We're currently at 8. We need 2 more likes. And we've got 10 again. I'll be happy if we can get to 10, please, guys. I do appreciate it. Like I say, run it up. Let's get 2 more. Let's get 2 more, guys. Like I say, if you're new and you're not subscribed, please subscribe as well. 100 subscribers is the next goal. All this free, you know, you're getting a lot of free content here. Just, you know, show some love, please. But everyone who comments, subscribes, likes, I do appreciate every single one of you. Really, thank you. Nice, come on, nice 15 claws. we can look to go long into higher price. You know, you've got an initial rejection here. You want to get at least above here. If not, we just wait for that next 15 to close. Fifteen's closing bullish. I think we're gonna come tap that high, you know. You know, we're starting to close above levels again. I think we might have like a decent first target as well. 10 tick first target if we can push down first. I might just take this range play. If we can push down a bit, guys, say into 2402, I'll take a long. Into first targets will be this area here. Okay. But I need a decent stop loss. I need at least 8 to 10 ticks. We'll see. Nah, we're pushing straight up. We're going to have to wait, possibly, if we just continue to push up. Because you've still got your liquidity grab here. So it's a decent range break. So, but yeah, guys, look, exactly what I thought would happen. We're coming into this high now. That were expected. But yeah, we can still take the 30 closure. You know, it's actually better because we can wait to see if price tests this liquidity and rejects or not. Because if it actually breaks, if this 15 breaks and closes like so, then we just get on the next 15 higher. This is the volume stepping in now, guys. Look. Wow. Yeah, I think we're going to continue higher now on gold. It's given the H4 clearance. Could take H4 entries like yesterday. I'm going to have a look. I'm just going to wait. Give it 15 minutes, guys, and we can see if we can get these entries long. Gold's flying. See, like I say, guys, it's just been unlucky. If we got the bottom wick here, we would have taken 25 ticks. If we would have got the bottom wick here, you know, if we got a little tiny, like a 5 tick bottom wick to get an entry on, you know, we've taken another, like, what's that, from the flip of that? You know, the 25 ticks. So, you know, we've got 25, 30 ticks there on 2 trades. So we've got like 50, 60 ticks. You know, that's like, what's that, like 300 pounds on the account. So yeah, it's a bit unlucky, but it's just not, if I don't see the entry, I don't take it. It's simple as that. You know, it is 300 quid like on the account, but whatever. We just take the 30 closure. Sometimes gold moves without you. Yesterday it didn't. Yeah, yesterday I took 2 wins and it didn't move without me, but sometimes it just does, and you can't just jump in, because a lot of the people who jump in say if you're just jumping in long now, getting scared and not waiting for the close with your stop there, yeah, it could work out, but it also could wick down like this. You know, it could wick down like this. That could be the top wick, and you could get taken out. So don't just force it. Wait for the close and trade with the close. And right now I need to wait for this 30 to close. It's all discipline. We are coming into a major at 2407 though. Very big level. Look. Wow, wow, wow. This level is huge. Support, support, support. No, resistance, 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 support. Resistance, support. Look at that. Resistance. Now could it act as more resistance? Could try and catch 4 hourly. We'll see. Like I say, guys, anyone's got any questions, let me know. Doesn't matter what it is, anything to do with brokers, you know, traveling, trading, whatever, let me know. What I'm looking at on the other pairs. If you want any other pair breakdown, I can break it down. And if you're new, guys, let's hear from you. If you're new, I want to see what's happening. It's a shame how that closed, guys. How that opened and closed. It's a very big shame. I'm just trying to see where this price is most likely going to, and I think it's 24.08. 24.08 is a great price to look to target. Just going to see if we can bottom wick on this next 30 and take a little scalp higher. Yeah, Naeem, it is what it is, mate. I've taken a... Yesterday I took... How many trades did I take? I took 3 trades overall yesterday. 3 trades on Monday. Today 1. So I've taken 7 trades already this week. So it is what... Like I say, it is what it is. Like some days you'll take it. I'll stay on all New York session and try to take a position. It's not difficult for me. But I think we might be able to catch some... You know, we have still got liquidity above market here. I might just take it at half risk, you know. You know, 4 hourly, maybe 4 hourly Wickfield entry like yesterday. I do like that. I do like the 4 hour Wickfield entry. The 4 hour Wickfield entry is a great entry for me. Like yesterday, I capitalised on this here. Like 120 ticks just based on this H4. If you were in the live yesterday, you would have seen this entry. Depending on how this H4 closes, depends if we can take that entry or not. Alright, gold, this is starting to look a bit better. 4 hour. Welcome to anyone new, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Like I say, we are looking for gold. We are trying to take a gold long here. So if you're new, we are looking for gold longs. It's all about how we get these clauses. You know, 5-minute clauses like so. Then we can long the next. But we'll see. Stream record decent as well, guys. We've had 5 wins, 1 loss, 2 break evens. Not bad. So if you've watched every stream over the past 2-3 weeks, then you'd be up. Good profit. Especially when we get on a roll, guys. If we can sometimes you can take like 2 or 3 positions in a session. You just literally have to wait. You know, it's only it's the stream's like an hour and a half. If you can watch an hour and a half and catch a position with me, why not? 12 people in, guys. Welcome. Like I say, guys, if you're new, subscribe, drop us a like on the video as well. I appreciate it. I do appreciate it all. Okay, let's see how this 30 closes. I'm gonna look to long into this area here. When there's no liquidity to take, well, we've got liquidity here, but when there's no liquidity close, I just look to trade into a level. So I think price can come into this level here, at least before pushing down. You know, if we are gonna push down to take this liquidity, you need to push into this level before going down. Ugh, stretch. Any questions, guys? That's all. Now we're breaking above recent rejection, this level here. I'm interested on the next 30 to see if we can long into this wick fill here. Okay. I'm just going to delete these down here, guys, because we don't need to look at them yet. The only thing we really need to look at is this, you know. And you could even have this range here. I'm just interested to see how this 30 closes. I'd like it a bit more bullish, to be honest. 11 seconds, guys. Poor close, really. Took that low. I think we can push higher. Hourly, bet bullish, 4 hourly. Right, guys, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the 30-minute high here. Let me just get it up. I'll have stops here. I'm gonna use half risk though. I'm only using half risk because the stop loss is quite big. Okay, if we close back below, so I'm using half risk, guys. So my buy stop's going to go in just a little bit above 24.04. 24.04. Okay, buy stop's in at the high. So my prediction is that we've liquidated and broke above. I'm going to look to trade it into the range fill, the wick fill here. So the buy stop's in at this high. Yeah, and the overall idea is that we can push up into that high. Stop loss is quite big, so I have got half risk on this. So yeah, half risk on this trade, guys. Stops on the H1 low. Overall, looking to take it up into, say, this range here. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking to take it into this range here. This is a H4 trade. I'm not in this yet. It's not activated. Once it does activate, then yeah, So I'm actually going to put it just this, guys. Buy stop in here. Because I don't want people to think that I'm in the trade when I'm not. Buy stop here. Okay. I've gone half risk on this, guys. So the reason for this trade, guys, it's actually a 30-minute entry. You know, we've taken this liquidity and we closed above this overall range. I'm looking to see if we can come into this wick fill here. So from the entry to the wick fill is there, 32 ticks, and my actual hard stop's this low here. This is a H4 flip as well. So it's actually a 30-minute entry though. So it's all good. Let's see if we can get tagged in on this and push. Yeah, so TP is 30 points. And my stop loss is going to be, hard stop's going to be there. If we don't flip, guys, then it is what it is. But we should continue higher. I think at least a little bit more. But yeah, buy stop is in. See, once we do flip, guys, I will be managing risk here. Stop loss is quite big, guys, so that's why I'm half risk. We'll see. I'll tell you when I'm tagged in on this anyway. If it doesn't flip on the 15 as expected, still not in this yet, guys. Still waiting for the flip. And my buy stop isn't just always on the high. It is a little bit above because of spreads and stuff. So it is like here at 24 or 4. Alright. But yeah, that's the trade, guys. Let's see if we can fly higher. Yeah, let's see if we can fly higher. Keep in mind that we are at a big level here as well. That's why I'm only half risk. It is worth to see if we can wick fill this H1. And if this 15 doesn't flip, guys, and it closes below or closes bearish, then I'll be out. If it tags us in and then closes bearish below, say, here, again, I'll cut the trade wherever we are. I'll cut it. I'm not just staying in it. I'll cut the trade wherever it is. But yeah, buy stops are in here. Let's see if we can flip, guys. Like I said, I'll tell you when I'm in. When I get activated. Then I'll put the buy in. I probably will go break even around. Let's see. No, are we still above here? Yeah, we're above there. We are rejecting it a little bit, but if it's bullish, it's bullish. We'll see. Eight minutes for this to flip as well. Doesn't flip, guys, we're out at maybe a small loss or break even, whatever. Let's see if I'm in. Still not in yet. Still not in yet, guys. Like I say, I always factor in spreads as well, so wherever you think it is, I always have it a little bit higher. Yeah, still not in yet. My entry is 2404.05, so it's like just a little bit above. Is Goldie gonna flip higher? Still hasn't activated yet. I think my broker might be a bit higher than actual price, but it don't matter. I'm literally looking at it go so close and not activate. Once it activates, I'll tell you guys. I'll put the position in once it does as well. If you are activated, it don't matter. If it tagged you in, yeah, it doesn't matter if it did. If you, like I say, it depends where your buy stop is. It should tag me in a second anyway. And I am... Oh my god, it's so close to my buy stop. Oh my god, it's so close. Right, I'm in, guys. I'm actually in now. Right. I'll put the buy in here. Obviously, stops for me are on the 15 here. Okay. Like I say, if we close bearish back below here on the 15, then I'll close it. But the overall target for me is to see if we can push much higher. Like I say, guys, we'll see. But yeah, it's tagged me in. Just going to go fill my water up, guys. Back in a second. Gold. Ugh. Yeah, so first TP is like 30 ticks. See if it's going to push higher. I'm just having a look where I can put my stop loss on this. One sec, guys. I might have a bit more of a relaxed stop. Just trying to think. You know, you got rejection there at 2400. Is a bit big stop for me on the 30 though. Let's have a look. My broker. You could have stops there. Yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna have hard stops here for now until we push higher. But once we do start flipping, I'll just trail it. You know. But if you are in, guys, yeah, let's see what we can do. I use Vantage, Bando. I use Vantage, mate. This H4 should flip into Wickfill at least, I hope. I think. Then once we do start pushing up, I can just trail my stop below here. But yeah, we want this 15 minutes to close bullish. If this 15 closes bullish, guys, then we can just trail stops to like very, very small. But yeah, let's see if this 15 can flip higher. But we are still in this, guys. Obviously, you can have your stop like a bit lower if you want. But yeah, we are starting to flip out now. H4 Wickfill into here, potentially. But yeah, I am in a bit of profit now. Entry was here. Let's see if we can continue higher. I'm going to trail my stop now, guys, to the 15 low. So stops are going to the 15 low because we shouldn't tech that now. So I'm actually reducing my risk quite a lot now. So stops are at the 15 low. And hopefully this can continue higher. If it doesn't, you don't want to be in this position. Like I say, that's the idea, guys. Let's see. We've taken this liquidity too. So if it doesn't continue higher, it is what it is. You know, we take a little loss and we get on with it. Yeah, that's the idea, to push higher now. Yeah, let's see if this 15 can flip. You know, we've got 2 minutes, guys. I think it's like 300-400, Naeem. I'm not too sure. I don't think there is a minimum deposit. I think maybe like 500, maybe. What is 5 doing? Ugh. Come on, push, Goldie. We've got 2 minutes to close. $15 people, welcome, guys. How's it going? Yeah, it's 15's looking, the 5's looking grim. You want this 15 really to stay above there, so if we do close and hit stop loss, it is what it is. We tried to long. H4's not wick filling like I thought it would. Could pull back a bit further. 1 minute anyway, guys. Yeah, it's continuing down here. I think we will get a little stop loss here. What's that, like 21 ticks at half risk? We'll see. Yesterday's win were like 32 ticks. This will be like 21 ticks at half risk, so it'll be like a 11 tick stop. So we're still like 20 ticks positive from yesterday. All good. All good. But if we continue up, of course, then yeah, it's all good. We tried anyway. Here we go. All right, I'm out, guys. Here. What is the minimum? Yeah, minimum's like 500. One. I think it might even be 100. You know what I mean? Right, guys. Yeah, we took a little loss there. Half risk, by the way. So let me just write that in. Gold buys. Negative 11 ticks it was. So it was, like I say, guys, it was, what, 21 ticks, but it's half risk, so I just put a negative 11. I'm just going to see how this 15 closes, or this next 5. See if we can get continuations higher. Yeah, hit mine too, Naeem. I'm going to still look for longs in a minute. I'm interested in longs. I still think this H4 can wick fill higher, so I will try it again. I'm just going to wait for this 5 minute to close. How much did I take on that, on the account? Negative 40. Not bad. Well, bad, but not bad. Interesting. This very, very low volume now. It's doing my head in a bit. $17 people in. Welcome, guys. If you're new, drop us a subscribe, guys. Let's see if we can build it up to 100. $18 viewers. Nice. Yeah, but that, it wasn't the cleanest entry, guys, but it was very valid, so it were valid. You know, you've got 30-minute liquidity grab. Like, we didn't close above this range, but this high, but it is what it is. If you did take that trade, guys, make sure you listen to what I say and go half risk, please. Don't do full risk trades when I say half risk, because that's not my problem. That shows, like, obviously it's my problem that it was a loss. Yeah, I take that, but for me it's 11 ticks. 11 ticks is an average stop loss for me. My wins are like 30 ticks, so it's like 3 to 1. So if you do take a loss, don't worry. We'll catch we caught 30 ticks yesterday. We'll catch, you know, 30 ticks tomorrow or 30 ticks in a minute. You know, 11 tick stop loss on a half risk is absolutely nothing. This H4 is too bullish for me to want to go short yet, guys. Wow. I'm going to see how this 15 closes, guys. Or maybe the 5. If it closes back within this range, I'm going to leave it for today. That's probably me done. You know, round, what's that, like, almost break even. Which isn't bad for me today. I'm just going to see how this 5 closes. How's everyone's day been today? Like I say, guys, the way that we trade is that we take half risk on on more riskier trades. It's so normal. So don't think that it's not. I still think this H4 target's very good, but we are at a big level here, guys. You know, that's the only reason why I did go half risk, but it is what it is. Low volume now, guys. Boring. I needed that push up here. I needed that push here. Like that, that'd have been perfect. If gold were bullish, it would have continued. Yeah, for me now, if we close back above 24.04, then yeah, that's more longs. I won't be looking for shorts until we get back below. But yeah, if we get back above 24.04, then we can look for more longs, for sure. Yeah, if you hit your stop loss, guys, like I say, if you reduced risk on it, absolutely fine. 15's going to close in 9 minutes. Let's have a look. Yeah, like I say, yeah, Callum, if you're there, nice one, bro. It is only a small loss. What, like 11 ticks is right. Like I say, if you tune in, like, don't just pick and choose what trades you take on the lives, guys. Well, you can pick and choose and just be available when you can. But if you take every position that I've taken, you know, over the last 3 weeks, you'd be way up. You'd be over 100 ticks up. So 11 ticks is nothing. Losses happen. You just got to get on with it. You know, just get on with just deal with it and get on with it. Like, it doesn't affect me whatsoever. Like, what? 11 ticks on half risk? I'm good with that. Let's see how this 15 closes. If we close bullish above, then I'll long again for the second time in. If that fails, then that's me done. I've had enough of gold. I am break even today though across my actual trading. I've had one partials which were like 10 ticks, and then I've had this which were a loss, so I'm around break even. Yeah, nice one, Callum, though. Cheers. Nice 15 bullish close above, then yeah, we can go long. I'm not really interested in any like shorts yet. The account's sitting at, let me have a look. The account is sitting at £65 profit over the 2 days, which is decent. Right, nice 15 strong closes. We can look to take 4-hour wick fill entry and finally catch it. Could we have been a bit too early? Maybe. But these wick fills normally get taken quite quickly. You know, these targets normally get hit quite quickly, should I say. If we had initial stop losses, we'd be near break even now. You know, entry was like here. If we had initial stop loss, which was here, you'd be around break even. But I'm happy to reduce risk to the low. Five minutes until this 5 closes anyway, guys. Nice closes above, I'm long in. And like I say, if we try long and again and it fails, guys, that'll be me done. I'm not sitting here taking choppy trades. You know, I want nice clean price action now. Just wait for tomorrow for that. Doesn't bother me. But yeah, I do think we can come into here. So that's my target. Right, this 15 closes above, then we can long, guys. If it doesn't, it closes back within and no volume. Look at this 5, man. Like, we need a nice close above. Daily levels, 2400. Thanks everyone for tuning in and staying here until the end. Still got 12 people in, which is good. How's this 15 gonna close for us? There we go. 3 minutes, let's get a close above and then we can go long. Like I said, guys, I do take losses. Don't think I don't. I do take losses. But when I do take losses, it's never more than it needs to be. You know, it's never like 30, 40 ticks. It's always like 11 ticks. And my wins, as you will see, are like 30, 40 ticks. So yeah, don't think losses happen. Like if you're not happy to take a loss, then don't trade, don't watch the lives, because I will take losses today and I'll take losses maybe tomorrow, I'll take losses next week, I'll take losses well, not every single week, but I'll take losses all the time. I'm open to take losses, but obviously my wins outweigh my losses, so it doesn't bother me at all whatsoever. Yeah, and if you're not happy to take an 11 tick loss or a 15 tick loss, whatever, 10 tick loss, then trading's not for you. I need to journal that as well, actually. One sec. Gold. Buy. It were, to be honest with you guys, looking at it now, the momentum's just not there that we needed, but it is what it is. Realistically, we could have done with this position here, you know, 58 ticks, but we didn't get the wick for it. It's just wicking around now. Look at the volume now, guys. Just sideways. Boring. 15's closing bearish as well. Minute bearish. 4 hour is not flipped yet, but we are at big resistance. As say, that's why I did go half risk, because look at this resistance. $30 seconds till we close on this 15, guys. Wow, bearish, guys. Right, guys, that's me. That's me for the session. 11 tick, one trade, guys. 11 tick loss is what it is. Doesn't really affect me, guys. Shouldn't let it affect you yourself as well. Obviously, yesterday took about 32 ticks. Today, 11 tick loss. So we're up still 21 ticks on the account. So we're up way over 65 quid on the account, which is decent on a small account. But yeah, that's today, guys. 3 trades taken on this account so far, and we're up around, what we up, like 23 ticks or something on the account, which is decent. 2 wins on the account. So that's it, guys. Yeah, I will catch you all tomorrow. Yeah, Dan, see you tomorrow, mate. Like I say, guys, we'll come again tomorrow. If we see a trade, we'll take it. Simple as that. But yeah, I will catch you all tomorrow, guys, and see you all later. Thanks for joining again. Bye-bye.